I came across this YouTube channel that's going viral by posting simple, AI-generated videos. This one was posted 6 hours ago and has over 12,000 views. This other video was posted 13 hours ago and has gained almost 200,000 views by now. The funny thing is that all of their videos are simple fun facts, tips, and general information, all using stock footage or images. These types of videos are perfect for AI because they don't need original footage or tons of editing time. And guess what? They're racking up views like crazy. So I've broken down the exact process these channels use. And in this video, I'm handing you the exact blueprint to automate your way to YouTube success. By following just 3 steps, you'll learn how to generate viral YouTube shorts like this completely with AI. And stick around till the end, because I'll reveal exactly how much people have been able to earn from YouTube Shorts. So sit back and let's dive in. Alright, so the first step is to pick a niche that has a good chance of going viral and making you money. You don't want to waste time on a niche that nobody cares about. So here's what I do. I go straight to ChatGPT, turn on the search option, and request, "Please give me a list of the 30 most viral and profitable YouTube niches in 2025. In seconds, I have a list of niches that are trending and actually making people money. Now comes the fun part, choosing one. Since I've got 30 different options in front of me, I can go with anything that interests me. But after looking at the list, I think I'll go with fitness, because it has exploded in popularity lately. People are always looking for workout tips, motivation, and ways to get in shape. So, now that I've picked my niche, it's time for the next important step, where we set up a YouTube channel. If you've already created a YouTube channel before, feel free to skip ahead to the next step. But if you haven't, no worries. Here's how to do it quickly. First, go to YouTube, click on your Google profile in the top right, then select Switch Account, View Channel, then create a new channel. Now, you need a channel name. Instead of brainstorming 2 hours for ideas, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest some channel names based on your niche. Since I'm going with fitness, I'll ask for history-related channel name ideas. Once you find one you like, copy and paste it into YouTube. Next up, your channel description. ChatGPT can handle this too. Just ask it to generate a catchy and engaging description. Here's a pro tip. Ask for some emojis to be added. It makes the description look more lively and fun. Now, let's talk about profile pictures. You have 2 options. You can design one yourself using Canva, or let the AI chip in again. Ask ChatGPT to come up with a design idea for a profile picture related to your niche. If you have any specific ideas, mention them. Once you have the design idea, tell ChatGPT to turn it into a text prompt. Now, to get a cool AI-generated image for free, copy that prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. It's free and packed with all the features we need. Click on Image Generation, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Choose the one you like best, then upload it to YouTube. You can also design a banner to make your channel look even more professional. But don't worry too much about it. People aren't going to subscribe to your channel by looking at your banner, right? It's that engaging, compelling content that's going to pull them in. So we're going to spend the rest of our video focusing on that. Making a video comes down to 5 main things: the script, voiceover, visuals, music, and captions. If you're using traditional methods, you would need to work on each of these elements separately, which can be a time-consuming process. However, the tool I'm going to introduce to you later in the video can take care of most of these tasks for you, significantly reducing the time you spend on each one. So, be sure to keep watching, because this is the tool that will make your video creation process much faster and easier. Now, earlier I showed you some YouTube Shorts with fun facts that got a ton of views. That's why I think Shorts are the way to go instead of long videos. They're quicker to make, there's less chance of AI messing up, and honestly, people are now used to hearing AI voices in short-form videos, just like the ones you hear on TikTok. Plus, we can pump out way more videos this way. To make our first YouTube short, we need a script. This is where we lay the foundation for everything that follows. so we don't want to rush through it. We need a hook that grabs attention right from the start and keeps viewers interested. Here's a pro tip. To make sure we get a good one, I'll ask ChatGPT to come up with 10 eye-catching hooks about fitness facts. Then, I'll carefully choose the one that will make the best opening line for our video. Don't get lazy on this step because it sets the tone and direction of the whole short, so it's worth taking the time to get it just right. Next, I'll ask for 20 weird facts, each one 15 words or less, with a mix of topics and sentence styles. I only need about 10 facts to put together a solid 30-second short. And just like that, we have our script. Now I've got something even better, something that's going to blow your mind. It's a new AI tool called InVideo AI, and the possibilities are absolutely insane. Once you're in, click on Create AI Video. Then, choose Use My Own Script and paste your script into the box. From there, you'll have multiple customization options, like selecting generated or stock images, background music, subtitle styles, voice actors, and more. For this video, I'm going with stock images, a fast, energetic background track, and a clear American male voice for the voiceover. For subtitles, I'll go with bold subtitles that have a cool popping effect. Once everything's set, hit continue to move on. The AI takes a moment to analyze your script and settings, then gives you more options. It'll ask you to select your target audience, whether they're fitness enthusiasts or just the general public. You can also choose the vibe of the video, whether you want it inspirational, clean, or bright. Finally, it'll ask where you're posting this. Since I'm making a YouTube short, I'll select that and hit continue. In a few minutes, the video is ready. Once it's ready, you can preview and edit it in further detail to give it your personal touch. You can either use this edit button right here, or even give it a command letting it know what changes you want. For instance, you could type, "Make subtitles appear at the top," and it will do that in one click. Once you're happy with your video, go ahead and download it to your device. Now, let's upload the video. For the title, I'm just going to use the main hook from the video itself. Since this is short, we don't really need to worry about the description or thumbnail. So, head over to your YouTube channel, click Upload, and then just drag and drop the video we created. Enter your title, then to publish it, click Public and hit Publish. And that's it! We just made an entire YouTube video using AI. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. But remember, success on YouTube, especially with shorts, isn't a one-hit wonder. It's about consistency and patience. Keep creating those fitness fact videos, keep experimenting, and keep uploading. The more content you put out there, the better your chances of getting viral. At the beginning of the video, I promised to show you the potential of YouTube Shorts. People are actually earning real money with YouTube Shorts. I know you might be thinking that it's hard to make decent money from Shorts. For example, TubeBuddy reported earning around $32 for 1 million views on one of their shorts. Jenny Hoyos made $1,200 in ad revenue from 22 million views. While ad revenue can vary anywhere from $0.01 to $0.16 per 1,000 views, many creators are seeing RPMs as high as $0.15 to $0.30 per 1,000 views. But here's the key: don't rely solely on ad revenue. Use your shorts to drive traffic to longer videos, promote affiliate links, sell merchandise, or even offer coaching services. Sydney Morgan, for example, mentioned that shorts revenue alone is now allowing her to live comfortably off her content. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Click on one of the videos that are popping up on your screen right now and I'll see you there.